Hi everyone, today we are making potato cheese bombs. First, peel the potatoes. Wash the potatoes thoroughly. We will boil the potatoes in a cooker for 10 minutes. Add 1 liter water and let potatoes boil. Smash these puffs. I use rolling pin to crush it. You can use blender as well. Potatoes are done. We will check them. Potatoes are boiled nicely. Mash them until smooth. Potatoes are smooth. Now season it with salt and pepper. You can also use some herbs, but I will stick to the classic seasoning. Give everything a good mix. Let's get started making potato bombs. Keep everything ready. Crack an egg in a clean bowl. Beat the egg. Wash your hands before making potato bombs. Take a spoonful of mashed potatoes in your hand. Flatten it and put cheese in the center. Make it into a ball covering the cheese. Make rest of the balls same way. Keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Potatoes are a bit firm now. Let's do the final coating. First coat the ball in egg. Once it's nicely covered with egg, put it in crushed puffs. Coat the ball nicely with puffs using hand. Put it in a clean plate. I will coat rest of the balls and be right back. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot enough, fry the balls carefully. Fry it until golden brown. Keep flipping if needed. Drain the oil completely and keep it on a tissue to remove excess oil. Fry the rest carefully as it burns very fast. Potato cheese balls are ready. Serve it with ketchup or any other dips. Look how crispy and tasty they are. It's tasty and very easy to make. Look at that cheese stretch. Give this recipe a try. Follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat to watch behind the scenes. I will see you in my next video. Bye.